Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If your iPad is getting laggy or you're planning to sell your old iPad and upgrade to a new one, the best way to start fresh is to reset it to factory settings. This makes your iPad run as smooth as new and completely wipes personal data, so it can't be restored. Today, I'll show you 3 easy ways to reset your iPad. Let's dive in. Wait, let me clear this up. What's the difference between a hard reset and a factory reset? A hard reset is just forcing your phone to shut down and restart. It fixes freezes or unresponsive screens and doesn't erase data. But a factory reset wipes everything and restores the phone to its original state, often used before selling, repairing, or fixing serious system issues. Okay, let's continue. Method 1. Reset iPad with settings. If your iPad is still working fine, the easiest way is right from the iPad itself. Turn on your iPad, go to Settings, tap General, and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPad. Choose Erase all content and settings, confirm, and wait for the reset to finish. This method is quick and simple, but you'll need to know the device passcode if you forgot it or the iPad is frozen. Don't worry, let's move to Method 2. Method 2. Reset iPad with iTunes. If your iPad isn't working normally, or you forgot the passcode, you can reset it with iTunes. First, connect your iPad to a computer and open the latest version of iTunes. If iTunes doesn't detect it, put your iPad into recovery mode. For iPads with a home button, hold down the home and power buttons together until you see the computer logo. For iPads without a home button, press volume up, press volume down, then hold the power button until the logo appears. It has already entered recovery mode. iTunes will detect your iPad in recovery mode and ask if you want to restore or update. Click Restore and iTunes will download the firmware and reset your device. But sometimes, iTunes can fail or throw error codes or even become unresponsive. If that happens, don't worry. There's a more stable solution. Method 3. Reset iPad with Tenorshare ReiBoot. This is where Tenorshare ReiBoot comes in. ReiBoot is a professional iOS repair tool that fixes over 150 system issues, and it can reset your iPad smoothly without errors. It's safe, efficient, and very beginner-friendly. Here's how. Connect your iPad to the computer and put it into recovery mode, just like in Method 2. Then launch ReiBoot, click Start Repair, and choose Deep Repair for a full reset. Download the firmware as prompted, wait for it to finish, then click Start Deep Repair. ReiBoot can repair your iPad and erase all data securely. You can also use it to update an old iPad, which is perfect if you're planning to sell it. And that's it. Method 1 is quick if you know the passcode. Method 2 with iTunes works, but it can fail sometimes. Method 3 with ReiBoot is the safest and most reliable choice. It resets your iPad, fixes system issues, and protects your privacy. Now your iPad is clean, smooth, and ready for a fresh start or resale with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.